On August 23, 2025, torrential rains caused catastrophic flooding in the city of Aden in southern Yemen, turning streets into rivers and houses into ruins. Floodwaters surged through the valley, submerging entire neighborhoods. Over 90% of residents were forced to flee, their lives upended in moments. A car carrying 7 people was swept away. 3 were saved, but 4 are still missing.
السلامة لا حول ولا قوة إلا بالله راحوا إنا لله يا الله يا الله يا الله يا الله.
Nearby in Lahj, the story was just as grim. Heavy rains battered communities already scarred by Yemen's ongoing conflict, leaving thousands displaced and destroying infrastructure. It created a humanitarian disaster, the worst in Aden since 1982. Homes collapsed, shops were destroyed, and stagnant waters now breed cholera and disease. Aid groups like the International Rescue Committee rushed to provide shelter, food, and clean water. But the scale of this crisis is overwhelming. Stand with Yemen. Share this story, leave a comment, and subscribe for more updates.